For this video, I will do an example using the political frame, which I score very low in terms of marks. And the 3 dimension I've taken here, authentic self, desire for status, and neuroticism. And from this political frame, of course, again, there are 2 sections, relationship and implication. So for relationship, it's quite straightforward. I did not score very high for the political frame, 7. This suggests that I do not naturally see things from the political perspective. I do not naturally adopt this frame of mind when talking about thinking about problems or cases or even solutions. However, my score for authentic self is high, which I will discuss in relation to the political frame. My score for desire for status is low, and my neuroticism is considered higher than average. So implication to me for leadership, the implication for me is that since I do not desire much for status, because it's considered low, this does not make me much a leader when competing with others, as I do not naturally think from the political frame. However, if I have a high desire for status, if I'm a person like this, like a Machiavellian leader, I would expect it to be better if my political frame is higher in score, meaning I tend to think from the political cast of mind. In this regard, therefore, it does not matter much to me because I am low and this is low, so it doesn't matter much to me. Similarly, regarding authentic self, I have a strong understanding of myself, my values, and what I stand for. I think this has not much significance from the political frame because I think naturally power and status are not important values to me, So I don't desire all this. So because I don't desire all this, it doesn't make a difference whether I have this political frame or not. And because it doesn't make a difference to me, no wonder my desire for status is considered low. Lastly, regarding the neuroticism, my emotional stability is relatively lower than average, which may not be of much use from a political point of view. As a politician, a political leader, a leader who forms coalition, is not useful. Thus, being politically inclined and relatively not emotionally stable, I find I am not so effective in leadership if I am keen on building coalition with powerful people. Sorry, being not politically inclined. This would be right. Sorry, let me correct some grammar. Because I think naturally power and status are not important values. Not important values to me. Not important values to me, or not important values to correct. So okay, so this is just a short reflection about implication when I put all these dimensions into these quadrants here. So I hope you have an example here that you can reflect on. Now I want to emphasize again that these 9 quadrants here, actually this reflect this is me, this is who I am, how I behave. I already told you, in theory this would be different. I mean inversely related. High in servant leadership should be low in Machiavellian leadership because they are almost a polar opposite to each other. But it is possible to be low in servant leadership and also low in Machiavellian leadership. Maybe you are high in other form of leadership style. That is possible. Furthermore, it is possible that you have high Machiavellian leadership and low servant leadership. That's fine. But that's who you are. So this reflection here that I have written is actually about me. So I hope this is quite clear to you. This part about the relationship, this part about what does it mean to me in terms of my leadership. I must be thinking about it, about this relationship, so that it has something to do with my leadership. Because remember, the subject that we are doing is about leadership. It's not about something else. Okay, thank you.